The converse to theorem 6 says that if co-interior angles between lines intersected by a transversal are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. And we therefore write this in short to say co-interior angles are supplementary. Remember that this short way of writing a theorem is inspired by the A part, meaning by taking the first part of the theorem. The part from here, the co-interior angles between lines are intersected by transversal are supplementary. This is just a short way of writing this whole long thing here. Then our B part, which is the conclusion, says that then those lines must be parallel. What does this look like or mean in terms of a diagram? So this would mean that suppose that I have line L1 and line L2. We don't know if these lines are parallel or not. Then there's a transversal that cuts them like that, so that it creates different angles here. And one of the angles that it creates is in co-interior angles here. And when we measure these angles, we measure them such that if we add them, angle A1 plus angle A2, we find that they are equal to 180 degrees. That is to say that they are supplementary. Now, if that's the situation, if these co-interior angles are supplementary, we can then conclude that it means line L1 must be parallel to line L2. That's the only time these two lines will actually be parallel. Because if this angle here is greater than 180 degrees, it means these lines would be sitting maybe like this. They'll be, sitting like that. And that means they will never be parallel, because at some point here they will intersect each other. And remember, parallel lines should never intersect each other. So we can then conclude to say these two lines are parallel if these two angles are supplementary. They are equal to 180 degrees. Again, if you check the converse of theorem 6, just like the converse of theorem 5, it means we can use this theorem to actually prove that lines are parallel to each other. So another way in which you can prove that lines are parallel to each other is to ensure that the co-interior angles are exactly supplementary. In other words, when you add them, they give you 180. Then that's how you know that those lines are actually parallel to each other.